Palestine's been occupied for decades, but a home for centuries. This land is generations of my family's memories. To plant, grow and nurture the symbol of peace. The olive trees guaranteed that our people could eat. Living with limitations, pushed down by the occupation. Wanna see the pain? Take a look at the people's faces. Imagine being kicked out of the only house you ever known. We're praying for our souls while they're preying on our homes. It's not easy to put this into words. Looking at my baby sister, is this something she deserves? Growing up in a world where she's not treated the same, denied the right to live free because of where she came. They wanna occupy this land, won't let them occupy my mind. I stay occupied aside as I write about my life, because my only mission is to make people listen. This one's for Sheikh Jarrah, hoping it can make a difference. Cause the same thing happened in 48. My grandparents got evicted and forced to move away to the refugee camp in Gaza. No, nothing has changed, they can never return. So that's where I am today, getting calls from cousins to see if I am alive. This year is not fireworks that are lighting the sky. We're trying to celebrate an Eid and keep the faith. I guess you could say it's how memories are made. Palestine.
First of all, this is our country, let me tell you how it goes. We want peace and we will love. People pray and teach you don't. It's a chance if you die, let's see what the future holds. My life is on the line, right behind the bullet holes. I do it for my family, I do it for my soul.
My message talks about peace. I want to convey it to the largest number of people. You know, I want to show how is the life in Gaza to outside. I want to show them how we are children supposed to be like the other children on the outside from America.
Some things will never change, some things will stay the same. But when it's said and done, Palestine will still remain.
Who you know fresher than hope, riddle me down. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can't none of y'all mirror me, babe. Cause in a way I'ma let you stop it for cause I'm lame. But I say I'ma do something, I'ma do it. I give a damn what you think. You said that you can meet me and let my rap can change your life. See me as I am, hear my dreams and my own words. The sound of my rap, alienate all of these roads. My soul has been cold, I'm ready for the top. Yeah, the game is tricky, I know the rules, then I'ma stop. People ask me where I learned to speak like this and this accent too, and this lyrical bliss. And when I started rapping, I opened a new world. They tell me keep pushing forward as my talent gets unfurled. I want to test myself and see this where we'll go. I rapped it on the streets, I love to put on the show. I was born in Gaza City, born hearing the gunshots breath. This of got patterns of some rumors, spirits and shops. Since the first day of my life, I have already seen through wars. And it won't take very long for me to see another more. 50 kids back to a room in a school for refugees. I would like to be like Eminem. I didn't say I want to copy his style. I said that I have my own style, but he's my favorite rapper. He's my idol.
My life is on the line, right behind the bullet holes. I do it for my family, I do it for my soul. Some grew up without a family, playing stories untold. My life is in the book, some of the pages would unfold. It's him against the world, and only God knows. We have to let them know they did not die in vain. Even though they lost their families, I can still